going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all. But before we get into all that, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video whenever I upload it. And if you've been rocking with me, man, I definitely appreciate the support and love that y'all been showing. We get down in that comment section and we chop it up about these sneakers all the time. But listen, today we are here to discuss the 700 V3 Adidas Yeezy that released this past weekend. And before I get into that, man, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how y'all can save money by copping the dopest bags and the best shoe cleaner of all time. I'm gonna roll the intro, then we can go ahead and get into the review and details of this sneaker, man. So let's get it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that intro. Listen, head to those links that are down in the description below and go save yourself some money by using promo code Kaotic Kicks, man. Adidas 700 V3 Alvah was supposed to release during All-Star weekend, but they ended up dropping this past weekend. Also, this is the second colorway for this sneaker to come out. The first one was the Azale. I'm gonna have some pictures up here. You guys can see that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and jump behind the camera so I can give you an up-close look at this sneaker. Let's get it. All right, guys, starting with the box, you can see that we do get 700 written on the top of it. As I look at the size, I do not see boost, and I'm kind of thinking that's because they did not go with boost with this sneaker. But as for your tag and sizing, you can see that we do have Yeezy 700 V3. This is a size 10. Colorway is Alvah, and the style code is 867799. But man, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the review and details of this sneaker. Starting with the outsole of the sneaker, you can see that it does take up most of the side lower part of the midsole, but it's an all black outsole. And then you see we got hits of yellow right here. And unlike the 350 V2 and Ray Runner 700 or the 380s, this one did not come with boost. They decided to go with foam in this right here for your comfort. But we'll get into comfort and all that once we throw these guys on feet. As you see, they do have this air ventilation right here for your feet. That way they don't sweat whenever you're wearing these guys. And also you get the RP unit cage that's on the side of that. And it does glow in the dark. So this rubber part right here does glow in the dark, but you can see that you also get your black and gray mesh underneath that. You got a rubber toe box here, and mine did come with a few glue stains. I know you guys probably can see that there. But to continue with the review, you can see that we do get a nylon tongue or neoprene tongue. You got rope laces, and you do get hits of 3M on each side at the base of the tongue. As far as the laces tips, you can see that you get some different tips than normal on Adidas, man. These are thick black tips, man, so that's something different. And also you can see on the butt end of the sneaker, they decided to put Adidas on there, man, so that's something different as well. But pull out the insole and give y'all a look at the insole of it as well. And here you go with the insole of the sneaker. You can see that it says Yeezy, Adidas, and Ortholite. I guess this here is definitely something that he decided to throw in these so he can give you extra cushion on your foot, since he didn't decide to go with the boost in these. But I'm gonna go ahead and just throw these things on feet, and then I can tell y'all how comfortable they really was. So let's get it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed the review and the on foot of this shoe. Now, to get in detail about the fit and all that and the comfort level of this sneaker, around the ankle part, man, it's very, very tight, man. And also the fit would be tight. So I suggest that you would go a half size up with this sneaker here. But other than that, man, as far as the looks and everything, I am digging the colorway of this sneaker. Like I said, this is the second colorway of the V3, and I'm definitely excited to see what other colorways they might be coming out. Y'all already know. Leave me a comment at the bottom of the page. Let me know if you hit on these things this past weekend. Also, let me know if you're rocking with it. And like I said, the glow in the dark with these is definitely a dope touch, man. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all already know. It's your boy Kaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.